At Oriah Contracting, we believe that true value comes from putting customers first. Let's explore our key features that set us apart. Customer-first approach. Everything we do revolves around you. Our customer-centric approach ensures your needs shape our products and services. Quality assurance and premium products. We uphold the highest standards with rigorous quality assurance processes, so you receive only the best. And our use of premium products combine quality materials and expert craftsmanship, delivering exceptional results every time. Expert team. Our dedicated team of experts is here to guide you, providing insights and support throughout your journey. We're committed to sustainability, ensuring our practices are eco-friendly and easily recyclable. Comprehensive support and flexible options. Experience peace of mind with our comprehensive support. We're just a call away to assist you whenever needed, and our flexible options allow you to tailor solutions that fit your unique lifestyle or business needs perfectly. We believe in getting it right. That's why we offer unlimited revisions until you're completely satisfied. Family-owned and operated. As a family-owned and operated business, we infuse our values of trust and dedication into everything we do, and unlike other companies, we offer multiple services under one roof. Discounts. And who doesn't love a good deal? Enjoy exclusive product discounts, making quality accessible for everyone. Operational throughout the Lower Mainland. Travel is not an issue for us. We are operational throughout the Lower Mainland and Greater Vancouver areas. Warranty. We offer an extensive warranty on all parts and materials and no charge on callbacks after job completion. Choose Oriah Contracting today and experience the difference of our key features. Visit us at oriahcontracting.ca and let's get in touch and make your vision into a reality.